The week started off in school with young men showing up for school in the 4th week without their books and blaming the instructor for not knowing the lesson. It's really our fault. It's the adults' fault. We didn't hold the line of expectation and set the line of standards. But in the FAFO, the fuck around and find out, right? The F and A, they ain't too bad. Matter of fact, they're a lot of fun. Fucking around. But when you get to that second F, that find, yeah. And I'm afraid with the current administration and what's going on around the country that we finally got some people in power. Cross that line if you want to, and you'll find exactly what you're looking for. It's a new dawn and era. In the explanation of electrical circuits, we like to use Ohm's law. Now, there's a judge in Hot Springs named Ralph Ohm, right? That's not the same Ohm. I can't remember this guy's name. But in Ohm's law, it explains an electrical circuit using amperage, voltage, and resistance. Now, to give you a backup, bear with me. Current can be explained easily by the flow of water in a water hose, right? And voltage, what we define as pressure of electricity, can be defined as the water pressure coming out of the water hose. Hope that makes sense. I left my crayons at home because I needed them. And so, in the circuit, you must have some form of resistance. We like to call that a load, right? That could be a light bulb. You know, it could be your personal satisfying device. It could be your blender, whatever it may be. But without that on the circuit, if you were to simply touch the positive and the negative, right, and avoid the resistance of the circuit, kapow, you short out. Explosion. Arcs. All right. You must have some form of resistance in that circuit for it to work properly, to do its job. And such be it unto Jason and other God-fearing, blue-blooded, red-hearted, fucking blue-collar Americans, right? Like himself, that find themselves in life with plenty of push, right? Plenty of flow. But when it comes to the requirement of some form of resistance, right? Opposition, something that may challenge me, oh my God, I found a second F and fuck around and found out, right? And I want to fall to pieces. What do you mean I'm getting 10 years in prison? What do you mean I got to go to rehab? What do you mean I got to go to marriage counseling? I got to go to school. I got to work extra. I got to clean the house. I got to study. Resistance in my daily lazy life where I must fucking come up against something not because it's just the way of life and it's hard, but it is necessary, right? It is a fucking requirement to complete the circle of life. The flow of electricity. Challenging, ain't it? To think that there must be something to restrict your progress for you to fucking work right. And that little resistor, that load, that thing that's slowing you down, often in a circuit, that's a bulb, a light bulb. And often in your life, that's what's making you fucking shine. Fluid English.